गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। राजस्थान पब्लिक स्कूल की ऑनलाइन क्लास में आपका स्वागत है। माई सेल्फ विष्णु कुमार एंड आई विल टीच यू केमिस्ट्री। वी कैन स्टार्ट आवर फर्स्ट चैप्टर सॉल्यूशन। सो लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट व्हाट इज सॉल्यूशन। Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. So the homogeneous mixture of two or more components is known as solution. There are two components in solution which are known as solute and solvent. Solute and solvent are decided by the quantity. केवल क्वांटिटी पर हम सोल्यूट और सोलवेंट का डिसाइड कर सकते हैं कि किसे हम सोल्यूट कहेंगे और किसे हम सोलवेंट कहेंगे। देखो, ए कंपोनेंट विच इज इन लेस क्वांटिटी इज नोन एज सोल्यूट एंड ए कंपोनेंट विच इज इन मोर क्वांटिटी इज नोन एज सोलवेंट। अंडरस्टैंड? ए कंपोनेंट which is in less quantity is known as solute and a component which is in more quantity is known as solvent. And solvent is only the component which is decide the physical phase of solution also. In other words, the physical phase of solution is decided by the solvent only. If the solvent is in gaseous phase, then our solution is also in gaseous phase. Solvent is in liquid phase, then solution is also in liquid phase. And if the solvent is in solid phase, then the solution must be in solid phase. So we can say the solution is the component which is decide the physical phase of solution. Understand? Now we can start another topic, most important, concentration. What is concentration? We know that solution contains two components, solute and solvent. In solution, solute is in certain quantity and solution is also in certain quantity. Hence, the definition is certain quantity of solute which is dissolved in certain quantity of solvent is known as concentration of solution. Again I say certain quantity of solute. What is concentration? Certain quantity of solute which is dissolved in certain quantity of solvent is known as concentration of solution. We can write here certain quantity of solute which is dissolved in certain quantity of solvent is known as concentration of solution. You can pause this video for copy this definition. certain quantity of solute which is dissolved in certain quantity of solvent is known as concentration of solution. Understand? Now we will know about the steps of concentration. Concentration can be denoted many steps like this. First is molarity, second is molarity, normality, formality, mole fraction, mass, percentage, mass, volume, percentage, volume, percentage, part per million यानी ppm, part per billion ppb. In our syllabus there are only mass percentage, mass volume percentage and volume percentage, but molarity and mole fraction are also important topic which are used in this book also. So we can discuss these topics also in our chapters. All of first I can start molarity. What is molarity? In molarity term you see the first word is mole. Hence it is quite simple that mole concept is also used in this topic. What is mole? You all know number of mole is weight upon molar mass. You should remember this formula. Number of moles of any component can be obtained by this formula, weight upon molar mass. What is molarity? Number of this definition is like this: number of moles. What is molarity? Number of moles. You can say number of moles which solute. Number of moles of solute which is dissolved in 1 liter or 1000 ml of solution is known as molarity. What is the definition of molarity? Number of moles of solute. What is molarity? Number of moles of solute which is dissolved in, remember this, 1 liter or 1000 ml of solution is known as molarity of solution. Molarity is denoted by capital M and its unit is mole per liter. Understand? Denoted by capital M and unit is mole per liter. Now we will discuss about the formula of molarity. What is the formula of molarity? Molarity equals to moles of solute upon volume of solution. In the solution The solute which is denoted by the term A, and solvent is denoted by the term B. Remember, moles of solute, number of moles, how we can define number of moles. The formula is based upon molar mass, hence the molarity is capital M equal to WA into 1000 upon MA into V. And moles of solute WA upon M, W weight, A solute मतलब weight of solute, MA molar mass of solute, V volume of solution in the form of milliliter. If we use here liter, then remove this 1000 in the formula. Okay, so we can say WA weight of solute, MA molar mass of solute, and V volume of solution. You can pause this video for copy this formula. So molarity equal to WA into 1000 upon MA into VN. WA weight of solute, MA molar mass of solute, and V volume of solute. Now we can solve a simple numerical depend on this molarity as follows. 4 gram of NaOH which is dissolved in 500 ml of solution, find the molarity. We can solve very easy way. What will is given? WA 4 gram, MA molar mass we can calculate like this: 23 plus 16 plus 1 equal to 40, and V equal to 500 ml. The formula is M equal to WA into 1000 upon MA into V. M is 4 into 1000 upon 40 into 500. We can cut 210. M equal to 2 upon 10, 0.2 M or mole per liter. You can solve these types of problems very easily by use this formula like this. Some important point of molarity are also discussed here, which are as follows. Dilution law. What is dilution law? Formula is very easy. M1V1 equal to M2V. What is M1? Molarity of primary solution. V1 volume of primary solution. M2 molarity of secondary solution. V2 volume of secondary solution. By the dilution law, we can calculate the molarity by the dilution after dilution given solution, like this. You can note this formula also. We can understand this by the solution of this problem. 2m molar concentrate, 200 ml volume of HCl solution is diluted by water up to 300 ml. What is the molarity of this solution? Means हमारे पास एक सॉल्यूशन है इसका HCl का, जिसकी मोलरिटी गिवन है 2m, वॉल्यूम भी 200 ml। इसको डाइल्यूट किया गया है कहाँ तक? 300 ml तक वाटर के द्वारा। अब ये जो 300 ml सॉल्यूशन हमारा बना, इसकी मोलरिटी हमें निकालनी है। व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? वी नो m1 v1 इक्वल टू m2 v2। m1 प्राइमरी सॉल्यूशन ये था हमारा, मींस 2m, v1 200 ml, m2 में वो निकालना है v2 300 ml, मींस 2 into 200 equal to m2 into 300, hence m2 equal to 2 into 200 upon 300, 4 upon 3, 1.33 m or mole per liter. So dilution law is quite simple. Second point about molarity is molarity of mixture. The formula is molarity of mixture is m1 v1 plus m2 v2 upon v1 plus v2. By this formula you can get the molarity of mixture of two different molar solution, like this. हमारे पास दो सॉल्यूशन हैं, सेम कंपोनेंट के हैं, मान लेते हैं HCl के हैं। इसकी मोलरिटी 2m 300 ml वॉल्यूम, मोलरिटी 4m है 200 ml। इन दोनों को आपस में मिक्स कर दिया गया। Now tell what is the molarity of mixture? Then you use this formula, molarity of mixture, which means m equal to m1 to v1 300 plus 4 into 100 upon 300 plus 100. m equal to 600 800 upon 500, 1400 500, 14 by 5 2.8 m or mole per liter. So this is the use of the formula molarity of mixture. Now we will start a new topic, temperature effect. Effect on molarity. What is the effect of temperature on molarity? You all know molarity is depends on volume, and volume is increases with increasing in temperature. Volume increases with increasing in temperature. Hence, the number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute is decrease when volume is increased. Decrease in unit volume of solution. Hence, molarity is also decreases. Understand? Again I repeat, temperature effect on molarity. Molarity is depends upon volume, and you know volume which increases with increasing in temperature. So when volume is increased, then the number of moles of solute is decreased in unit volume of solution. Hence, it is clear molarity is also decreases when temperature is increased. This is the temperature effect on molarity. So molarity is finished. I can repeat again. Total number of solute, number of moles of solute which is dissolved in 1 liter or 1000 ml of solution is known as molarity, which is denoted by capital M, and its unit is mole per liter. Formula of molarity is capital M equal to WA into 1000 upon MA into VML. WA is denote weight of solute, MA molar mass of solute, and V is the volume of solution which is in form of milliliter. When we use in form of liter, then 1000 is removed in the formula. After that I teach you the dilution law, M1V1 equal to M2V2, you all know, and mixture, the molarity of mixture, M1V1 plus M2V2 upon V1 plus V2. After all, you know the effect of temperature on molarity. When the temperature increases, then the molarity of solution is also decreases. इस क्लास में इतना ही. आप लोग पॉज करके नोट्स भी बना सकते हैं. इसके आगे हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में